Las Vegas, I wasn't expecting all this beautiful dry mountain out here. Most of the vegetation appears to be short, small shrubbery and some cacti dispersed in between. The mountains look really cool from a distance, but when we drove close to some of them, they look like big piles of dirt. But anyways, look at this beautiful scenery here with these stone artwork up here, up ahead of us. All right, let's go check them out. Oh, I wonder if this is a type of palm or a type of cactus. Look at this desert plant right here. It's very dry and spiky. Oh, something I also recommend out here if you're sensitive to dust, because there's a lot of dirt blowing around, is to bring a face mask, a disposable face mask, to help filter that out if you want. These are big piles of giant stones, but painted very colorfully, stacked in, a backdrop of nothing but brown and beige and orange. So it really, really pops out.
You got clear skies, so that's gonna be good.
Yeah. I bet in the evening, if we wait we should see when the sun sets here, with the sunset against all the mountains. The landscaping and the scenery here is incredible. It's just like the movies. Look at this, just endless desert mountains everywhere with this shrubbery. It's amazing. And luckily, the week that we're here, it's not too hot too. Normally, Las Vegas area can get up to like 110. But for us today, it's only 79 degrees. So with the wind, it feels incredible out here.
Ready to have a castle? Like to own a castle? Like a Britney Spears wedding. Oh, no. Why got Britney Spears?
I don't know.
Yeah,
In Vegas.
the dancers.
like landing, and I'm like, oh.
I'm gonna pick up it in Venice. When you walk up the stairs, they have a lot of stairs.
This is so romantic. Look at that. So romantic.
Let's have a drink, Vinny. Let's do a margarita, Vinny. Margarita. Right now we are at the Canonita, a Mexican city soul food restaurant. We're gonna order a couple of drinks before we party for tonight. Okay? So let's see what my orders tonight to drink. Cheers. Yeah. Right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Cheers to good friends. To good friends and company.
2024.
What is this, Vinny? A-ho? Oh, A-ho. What is this one? A B-ho? Okay. Okay, cheers. This is an A-hole, and that's a B-hole right there. Cheers. It's good. It tastes good. It tastes very smooth. It's very smooth.
That was something nice.
Add a little bit of lime to it. Okay. A little bit lime to it.
Oh, I'm ready.
You take that one. Here I had.
I'm driving.
This one tastes a little bit like gasoline.
Come on, this one's stronger.
Give me one more.